Greetings, this is Dr. Lori Ernsberger, and welcome to Behavioral Training Resource Center. Today's teaching tip is how to build behavioral momentum when a student gets stuck. Have you ever experienced with a child where they were working fine, they were on task, they were completing some assignments, but then you saw very slightly a change in their behavior, a change in their on-task behavior? So maybe they started to fidget or put their head down, and you could really have a sense that you were losing their momentum, right? If you've ever worked one-on-one with a child or in small group, you can see those early signs. And what I want you to be doing is running a continuous audit in your mind, particularly for those children who can escalate into a crisis situation. Where are they on your behavior scale? Are they a 1? Are they doing great? Are they a 2? We're losing them. Are they a 3? They're in crisis. And so it's important for you to be having that audit going on in the back of your mind as you're teaching. You got to multitask. And so always know where that child is. As soon as that child is going from a 1 to a 2, we're starting to lose the momentum. What you're going to implement is called high probability demands, or also called interspersal. The word interspersal means just that, to intersperse. And it comes out of the work of Kegel and Kegel, two researchers who have written specifically about pivotal response training. But what they talk about is to intersperse tasks from hard tasks to easy, mastered tasks to easier tasks. To more challenging tasks. So we go hard, easy, and when we sandwich tasks together like that, then we continue to build momentum. So the next time a child starts to get from a 1 to a 2, I want you to stop, switch task. So the child who is doing the handwriting, maybe we're just going to do some flashcards of the spelling words for that week. We're going to, because that's really easy for them, maybe to identify those spelling words. So we switch to the easier task, intersperse, and then we go back to the harder task. That's also referred to as high probability, because if we stick with the same handwriting, if we continue to say, nope, you have to use every spelling word and write out a sentence, if you stick with that task, we know that child is going to escalate. The next thing you know, they'll be under the table, out the door, or in a crisis situation. They'll be in a 3++. So stop. Quickly transition to those easier master tasks, or what we consider to be more high probability, and then you can go back to the harder, challenging tasks of the handwriting. So you always want to know for those students, what are their mastered tasks? What are things that they can do easily? And I want to have them ready and prepared so I can switch or intersperse in between. So if you have a child who gets stuck and you want to build momentum in the positive direction, intersperse and high probability demands will definitely help you with that. Now, if you want to learn more about interspersal and high probability, go to Behavioral Training Resource Center. Check out our courses. You'll find out so much more information. I appreciate your time today. Thanks and have a great day.